Hi guys, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farms. In today's video, I want to talk all about Tithonia. Tithonia is one of my personal favorite annuals to grow from seed, and it's also a favorite of a wide variety of bees and butterflies. It's a super easy annual to grow from seed, so even if you're new to growing flowers from seed, you are sure to have success with this pollinator magnet. I like to start my seeds inside, about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, so I can enjoy earlier blooms out in the garden. But you can also direct sow the seed into the garden after all danger of frost has passed. They want to be planted in full sun and about average soil. These plants can get quite tall, reaching heights up to 5 feet, so it's best to place them in the back of the border and also to stake them. This helps to prevent the stems from breaking. Place plants about 2 to 3 feet apart from each other. Placing plants in mass at this distance can provide additional support from strong winds. Now, these plants thrive on warm, sunny weather, so you'll often see them sit in the garden as small plants and then all of a sudden put on a lot of growth during the dog days of summer. There are 4 readily available cultivars on the market. My personal favorite is Torch, which is the tall orange variety I'm showing you here in my garden. Yellow Torch is another great variety. If you're looking for a smaller variety, give Fiesta del Sol or Goldfinger a try. These shorter varieties only grow 2 to 3 feet tall. Tithonia makes a nice cut flower, however, it doesn't last extremely long in the vase. The stems are quite delicate and they're hollow, so be careful when handling them. Harvest them in the cool morning when the bud is just starting to open, and if possible, immediately put the stem into Floralife Crystal Clear. Let them condition for at least 2 hours. I don't personally sell these in bouquets, but I do enjoy cutting them for our own home, where it's okay if the blooms fade after a few days. Well, I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll plant Tithonia in your garden this year. Whether you're looking for a tall annual for the back of the border, hoping to attract more bees and butterflies to your garden, or just venturing into growing flowers from seed, Tithonia is definitely worth growing. Until next time, happy gardening! Bye!